Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to record our screen in 1080p in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to find our screen recorder, quality options and how to change it. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to open advanced features. Next we are looking for screenshots and screen recordings option. Then we are looking for video quality. So as you can see right now, we have our medium option selected, 720p. So to change this option to the HD, we need to open this, tap this option, and then select the highest option from here. We have three options here only, so no 8K, no 4K. That's all, a simple three option, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.